I'm looking at project number 5, the partner recording. The instructions are all listed below, steps 1 through 6, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to do it. Everyone has been assigned a partner, and if you click on this spreadsheet at the bottom, you're going to see who your partner is. So have a look at your partner list, and then the next step is to look in the Shared With Me section of Noteflight. So you need to go to your Noteflight account, sign in, use your Google credentials, and you'll see over on the side there's a box that says Scores Shared With Me. Click on that, and you will see chorale number 12 followed by a letter. That's the document that's been shared with you. So you're going to need to reach out to your partner. So I'm going to write an email to my partner. I just have to start typing their name, and the name of the student will appear down here. So my partner is Wacona Music 22. So I'm going to send a message. Once I've heard back from my partner which part we're going to play, I'm going to sign in to my Noteflight account. And then I'm going to go over to Scores Shared With Me. And you'll see at the top there is a chorale, number 12, and a letter after it. So my partner and I decided that I was going to play the top part. So I'm going to play baritone horn, and like before, I'm going to go and change that part. I'll click Edit, Brass, Baritone, and OK. Now, that part has jumped way too high for me to play. So I'm going to hit Control and the down arrow, and it's going to bring it down into a much more reasonable octave for me. Now, on to the sound check so I can record and do the setup. So now all that has to happen is my partner has to record it. So I'm going to hit Save. That is very important. Now I'm going to let my partner know that I recorded a part. So I'm going to go to Score Details, and the dialog box will open up in the bottom. I can go down below and type in a comment to let my partner know it's their turn to record. And you're done. Just make sure that you go back into your partner recording and add a comment. And mark it as done. Since the file is shared with me, I'll get a copy. If you would like to do this in BandLab, make sure you copy the link from BandLab and attach it so I know where to get it. That's all there is to it. Have fun.